In class, we are doing exercise 6b. Let us continue our exercise. We are on question number 4. Find the mean proportional between 3 and 27. Let the mean proportion be x. It implies that 3x and 27 are in continued proportion. Now, we know that when b is mean proportion between a and c, then a is to b is equal to b is to c, means we take the second term at the place of second term also and at the place of third term also. So class, here also 3x and 27 are in continued proportion, therefore 3 is to x is equal to x is to 27. Now cross multiply 3 into 27 and x into x. Okay, so x square is equal to 3 into 27. When this square will go that side, it will turn into square root. Now break the terms over here. 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3, and 1 3 is already there. Now make the pairs of 2 2. So this and 3 and this 3. 3 comes outside, this 3 and this 3, 3 comes outside. So 3 3 is a 9. Answer. Now question number 5, first part. If a is to b is equal to 3 is to 5 and b is to c is equal to 4 is to 7, find a is to b is to c. But here the values of b are 2. Here it is 5 and here it is 4. So what we are going to do is a is to b is equal to 3 is to 5. Divide both the terms by 5 in order to make this be 1. 3 upon 5 is to 5 upon 5 will give 3 upon 5 is to 1. Then b is to c is equal to 4 is to 7. Again we will turn this 4 into 1 by dividing both the quantities by 4. So 4 upon 4 is to 7 upon 4. So 1 is to 7 upon 4. Now here also b is 1 and here also b is 1. In both the given ratios, the quantity b is common, children. So we have made the value of b same, that is 1. Okay class. So a is to b is to c is equal to 3 upon 5 is to 1 is to 7 upon 4. Now take the LCM of 5 and 4. It has come 20. Multiply the quantities with 20. So 3 upon 5 into 20 is to 1 into 20 is to 7 upon 4 into 20. You'll get 12 is to 20 is to 35. Now last question of the exercise, children. Show that 2, 12 and 72 are in continued proportion. Again, we know A, B, C are in continued proportion if A is to B is equal to B is to C. That is, if 2 is to 12 is equal to 12 is to 72, then only we can say that A, B, C are in continued proportion. Now let us check it. First, LHS 2 upon 12, it has given 1 upon 6. Then RHS 12 upon 72, again 1 upon 6. Therefore, we can say that 2, 12 and 72 are in continued proportions. Okay. Now if you have got any problem in chapter 6, children, because we have completed it today, please you can ask me. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.